How to get the most from your hi-fi sound Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Elevate your listening. Here is how to unlock the full hi-fi potential of your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro in 4 simple steps. First, ensure your buds are paired with a compatible Samsung Galaxy device. Open the Buds 4 settings. Navigate to the Sound Quality and Effects menu. Then go to Advanced Quality Options. And first, toggle on UHQ Audio or Ultra High Quality. This setting maximizes the bit rate to ensure you aren't losing any detail during playback. Also, you can enable super wideband speech to get a sharper sound on phone calls. Go back to the same settings menu, open Equalizer, and you can either make a custom equalizer according to your own preference or adjust your equalizer to the Dynamic preset. This profile is specifically optimized to balance the dual driver system of the Buds 4 Pro, bringing out deeper bass and crisper highs. Lastly, go back one step and you can turn on 360 audio and then turn on head tracking, which creates an immersive, multi-dimensional soundstage that elevates your hi-fi listening experience by using intelligent head tracking to keep you at the center of the sound. Also, while listening to music, you can turn on active noise cancellation to enhance the experience. And make sure the ear tips fit properly and that you're wearing the buds correctly for the best sound. That's it. Now, sit back and enjoy music exactly as the artist intended. Thanks for your time.